So in this section I will show you how to close and update the call in the Dell Partner Portal when there is no delay caused by the parts or by the customer. Such situation, the first step would be to assign the call to the right skilled engineer. So you have to check if the part is available. For example, this call, we can see the status parts available. So you have just to click on the call, open it in a new tab or directly in the window. Then the next step would be to go on the update field. One important point under conclusion, you should have seen the details provided by the Dell Tech support. In some cases, this field is empty, so you can find the details under comments. When you click on the blue text, then you will see the detailed problem information in the comments, and you would know what needs to be replaced, what needs to be fixed on the system. So if it's not visible under summary conclusion, you can find this information under comments. So the next step would be to assign the engineer. You can see the call needs to be closed on 26th of November. So in this case, you go to the update field, part is available. The information was visible there. So the first timestamp would be ETA provided. It would be for 26th, for example, 9 EM. The next step would be engineer assigned. The date and time can be the same like ETA provided date and time, and engineer you can select from the drop-down menu. Okay, then you can click on update button. You would have the first two timestamps, ETA provided, engineer assigned, even with the name of the engineer. I will not do it as this is a live call. The next step would be then engineer went on site, fix the system, replace the parts, system is working fine, there is no delay and system was fixed. So the next timestamp would be going on update and selecting on site. On site date and time 26th can be the same like the ETA provided, however, can be the same or can be after that time. So I will select 9:30 as example. Again, click on update button and you would have the third timestamp. One important point regarding the first step, ETA provided timestamp. For 4-hour calls, this timestamp needs to be updated within 15 minutes. It's only especially for 4-hour dispatches where the dispatch needs to be updated immediately as soon as you receive it in the dashboard. So ETA provided date and time for 4-hour dispatch needs to be updated within the next 15 minutes. Okay, I will not do it. The next and last step would be then to close the dispatch. In such situation, you need to go to the service call closure. You already updated ETA provided, assigned the engineer and on-site timestamp, and the last one is under service call closure, call completed. Okay. I have now selected different call to see that the engineer is already assigned, so it doesn't need to pick it from the drop-down menu. So again, the same date, 26th, engineer went on site at 9:15. It took, for example, 30 minutes to fix the system. Okay. Now, under fault, you have to confirm if the fault was as diagnosed by Dell Tech support. So you can enter Y for yes or no, the fault was different. In this case, I will select yes. Repair, let me just check the details in comments. replace hinges, okay, palm rest outside instruction, replace as needed schedule, okay, so replace hinges. In this case, you can see even from the part details which parts were ordered, mainly are hinges or plastic parts, so repair hinges placed plus LCD cover. Now system closing and LCD is holding position. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, fault confirmed with Y, yes, it was faulty, LCD was not holding the position. After replacing hinges, we replace LCD cover. Now is system working and opening and closing and LCD is holding the position. So put there always the comment what was repaired, what was replaced, and if the system is working or if there is some additional issue. Under part details, if there was no part used for replacing or for fixing the system, then you can leave it empty. However, in case the parts were used, you have to enter here manually the part number which was used. You can also copy, paste, put here the quantity and change to used. If you have used more parts, just click on the plus sign. Again, copy, paste, quantity and used. You can enter here how many parts were replaced. Okay, engine name is already visible and updated, and now you can see call completed timestamp is entered, fault yes, some comment what was replaced, plus entered the part numbers. Now you can click on service call closure. After service call closure, there is no update possible on closed call. All this information you have updated here, even the timestamp in the real time, will go back to Dell, so Dell Tech Support have the visibility when and how was the call updated, attended, so from this perspective everything is covered. I will show it to you on some closed dispatches. Just we will select closed and all the details you have updated are visible here, like engineer assigned, on-site, ETA provided, even with the exception codes, when it was updated, and also the details on closure. You can see part used, call completed. Under comments should be also, as already described, fault yes, what was repaired if the system is working.